Hi, this is Bryan Hyde, and just another quick update for you. What an incredible day in the courtroom in Las Vegas today. We just received word that the jury not only will be out until this Wednesday, but actually will not be back in the courtroom until Wednesday, the 20th of December. And the reason for this is that there is some serious sorting out going on with the judge, the prosecution, and the defense. It was the court, meaning it was the judge, who actually issued the word, or who uttered the word that mistrial might be a possibility. Now, I don't want you to jump on that and think, oh, it's a sure thing. It's not a sure thing, but it was the judge who brought up the possibility that a mistrial may be ahead of us because of perceived prosecutorial misconduct. Specifically, here's what's happened. There are a number of things that the prosecution has claimed were false, and I'm just going to give you three quick ones. The prosecution said when the Bundys said that there were snipers surrounding their ranch, that was false, except the defense was able to produce evidence showing that in fact there were snipers positioned around their ranch. When the prosecution said the FBI was not involved in the roundup of their cattle, again, the defense was able to bring forth evidence that showed not only was the FBI involved, but there was an FBI anti-terrorism SWAT team there on the scene prior to the cattle roundup. When surveillance was brought up, it was the prosecution who said, oh, there was no surveillance taking place. And again, the defense was able to show that the prosecution was not being truthful and had withheld key evidence, material evidence that needed to be a part of their discovery information. So with these three things in mind, and with other things that the defense has now brought up to the judge, it's our understanding that there are no less than 7 alleged Brady violations, by which they mean that the prosecution has withheld evidence that should have been provided to the defense ahead of this time. And it's a big deal. Any first-year law student understands you do not withhold material evidence or material information when it comes to discovery. You're not supposed to do that. But the prosecution allegedly has. The judge has seen enough of a problem that she has sent the jurors home until Wednesday the 20th. And when they come back, we don't even know for sure if the jury is going to be back in the courtroom on Wednesday the 20th of December. So this is a time to, I guess it's okay to get your hopes up. Let's not go around popping corks or thumping our chests just yet. But if you believe that the truth has been slowly but surely working its way out into the light of day, it looks like that may in fact be the case. I would again encourage you, those of you who exercise your faith on behalf of all of the parties involved in this trial, please continue to send your prayers. Please continue to pray for the hearts of the prosecutors and the judge and even the attorneys who are defending these defendants, that they will all be appropriately touched. It's going to be a remarkable week next week, and there will probably be some developments in between now and then. As that information comes available to us, we will keep you apprised of it right here on Who's Next. Thank you so much for following us.